going to install a fender on our ONEWHEEL. When you order from them, if you order a board and accessories, the accessories came a day later for me, but I got my fender here, and it came with a little bag of tricks here. See, it's like 4 screws, a star bit wrench, and a card. It also came with instructions. This looks pretty easy. Remove 4 screws, wiggle it off, and put the fender on. So here we go. And I also wanted to let you guys know, I ordered this rubber eraser from Amazon. I think it was, I don't know, like $8 or $9. And it works really, really good on your stomp pads. So, rubber eraser and a little elbow grease as we head into this fall riding. Have a great time. Be safe.
Have fun. Have a great day.